Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Global Happenings Today TV. For those who will be traveling to the Southeast region, you should please pay attention to this particular news. Well, before we go into the news proper to find out exactly what even the politicians, the chief security officers are telling their indigents, the locals, and those coming in, we like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see bell notification icon. Please go ahead. Click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, the Imo State Governor, Senator Hope Uzodinma, yesterday lamented that the inmates that escaped from the Owerri Correctional Center some months ago as a result of jailbreak are on the rampage, compounding the security challenges in the state. Consequently, Governor Uzodinma has pleaded with the President Muhammadu Buhari to come to the aid of the state by providing funds to him to tackle the security challenges. The governor, who met with the President Muhammadu Buhari, at the presidential Villa Abuja, told State House correspondents that his mission at the nation's seat of power was to ask the president for financial support to tackle insecurity in the southeast. He said prisoners who escaped from the Owerri Correctional Center have compounded the security situation in the state as they have continued to cause havoc. According to him, I gave Mr. President my message, and Mr. President also, in his usual manner, addressed the issues to my satisfaction. Prominent among the issues is just the increasing insecurity in the southeast. I know that despite the activities of the bandits and UGM, recall that the correctional center and facility in Owerri was broken and over 1,836 inmates were released. Since that time, they have been on a rampage, committing all sorts of crimes, kidnapping, robbery, and other sorts of crimes in the state. And there's need for us to really clean up the state because you know that this period is Christmas period. It is so important to our people. And we want to ensure that those coming home to spend their Christmas will have a conducive atmosphere to enjoy their Christmas and then celebrate the season. Yes, we ask for support with additional manpower, and also I asked for some kind of funding to support the security situation in Imo State, and Mr. President graciously approved. Uzodinma, who was the chairman of the All Progressive Congress APC Anambra State Campaign Council in November 6 governorship election, also said that the national leadership of the party and its candidate, Dr. Andy Oba, are to decide whether or not to challenge in court the declaration of Professor Charles Soludo as the winner of the election. He said the fact that the president had already congratulated Soludo will have no bearing on the decision. He said that President Buhari congratulated the candidates of the All Progressive Grand Alliance APGA as the father of the nation, and also because Soludo was the one declared winner by the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC). The governor dismissed assertions that the ruling APC may not be voted back to power because of the prevailing economic and security situation in the country. He enthusiastic that many people are joining APC because Nigerians are happy that President Muhammadu Buhari is performing well. He said the mood of the country is that the president is doing very well. And the mood of the country is that APC gave the peculiarities of these times. Asked whether the APC will go to court as indicated by its governorship candidate in the November 6 election of Anambra State, Senator Oba, despite the president's message of congratulations to Soludo, Uzodinma said, Andy Oba is going to court or not going to court has nothing to do with the Mr. President congratulating somebody whom INEC has declared winner of the election. Of course, he's the president of all. He's not the president of one political party. He's the president of all political parties and the president of all candidates in that election. So, of course, in every contest, a winner must emerge. And in the wisdom of INEC and to the best of their ability, they have declared the result of the election. The same electoral act that allows INEC to declare results of an election also allows aggrieved candidates to seek for redress in court if they so desire. But every other thing will be the decision taken by the candidate and the party. I am not the party. I am not the chairman of the party. I am not the leader of the party. I just did an assignment as the chairman of the campaign committee. The governor said he explained the Anambra election outcome to the president in his capacity as the chairman of the campaign council, adding Anambra election. Of course, you know the election has come and gone, and other things may be post-election activities. And of course, I was able to explain to the president how we tried in the election. We campaigned very vigorously, and we also converted a lot of people to APC. The election was greeted by voter apathy and a high level of insecurity in Anambra, and the turnout was very low. Other decisions or positions will be taken by the leadership of the party, and I have done mine as the chairman of the campaign committee. On whether the APC can retain power because of the situation of the country, Governor Uzodinma stated, what is the prevailing situation that will make APC not to win? Is it the prevailing that you are not aware that the president is of the APC extraction? Is it that you don't know that 22 states in the country belong to APC? Is it that you don't know that APC has a majority in both the Senate and the House of Representatives? Is it that you don't know that out of the 774 local governments in the country, that the APC is controlling the majority? Have you not seen the number of people decamping into APC? The mood of the country is that the president is doing very well. And the mood of the country is that APC, given the peculiarity of this time, where insecurity has taken over the globe, has ravaged every place of the world from one or the other, and going through recession rather. The way the central bank has managed to see that we are still afloat, the way all the intervention policies of the government, including the stimulus package rolled out by this government, to ensure it does not go down. So I am very confident. I'm a proud member of the APC, and I think we will do our best to ensure that the confidence reposed in the party by Nigerians is not betrayed. Okay? He's saying that the Nigerians are proud, are also happy the way everything is being done, that the way people are decamping from APC to PDP, from PDP to APC and every other party to APC clearly shows that Nigeria is happy with APC and they're doing very well since they have the vast majority. Well, if it's on that ground, then everybody should go and sleep. There's no need for rigging. But if you want to test your popularity and test how much Nigerians love APC and how much Nigerians love this politician, they should go to the election ground, let Nigerians exercise their franchise without any form of rigging. We will know where Nigerians' love lies. It's okay, everybody's entitled to their opinion, and the fact that it's already telling the Demolites that the Christmas, they're still trying to say they can control insecurity, and it looks like it's a positive one coming from what the president told him. Let's go wrap it up. Let's put in that conversation, please.